Oh my god, this is not it. Just chill. Is that supposed to be the middle finger?
Nigga said, what you say?
You talking to me, nigga? You better tell him to jump, watch.
Oh, you think you're about to be on some what you call this shit, bro? Some Homelander shit?
I can see it, bro. Hey, it'd be kind of hard.
It could be Gojo's son, bro.
He didn't even hear him. He didn't even stop to check to see if he's gonna jump or something.
Maybe killing himself instead. Like, man, I hate being alive.